How to scan a QR code on any device. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can scan QR codes with any device. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone, Android phone, Chromebook, or even a computer, anything like that. And you don't even need a camera if you don't have one. So if you have a phone, really all you need to do is open up the camera on your phone. And as you'll see here, if I capture the QR code in the camera, it'll bring up the link and I can just select that and it'll open up the QR code. Same thing with an Android phone here. It'll bring it up right there, and then I can select it. So really easy on any device, really, with a camera. All you need to do is aim the camera at the QR code, and it should scan it. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work for you, or you're on a different device, we can use a website that I actually created called QRCodeGadget.com. And I made this website because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that doesn't upload any of the scanned images to a server, anything like that. All the scanning and decoding happens within the browser on your device using JavaScript. And check the description, I have a link down there. Once you get to QRCodeGadget.com, select QR code scanner. Give it access to your camera. And then all you need to do is get the QR code in there and it'll automatically scan it for you. And you can see the decoded results. Now, if you don't have a camera, you can also use QRCodeGadget to scan QR codes by taking a picture of the QR code, or if the QR code is on your phone, take a screenshot of it. So I'm going to take a picture of it, then just open the QR code decoder and find that image on your phone, give it access to the image, choose that image, and then it will automatically decode it for you and give you the QR code contents without having to actually scan it with your phone. It just scans the picture. So those were 3 different ways to scan QR codes on any device. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.